creating a custom Pokemon for you! Alright, Elisa, let's start by getting the power level of your Pokemon, and you are going to be a Convergent Evolution. So now we'll spin this wheel to see what generation of Pokemon we're making a Convergent for, and it's Gen 3, so now we'll spin this wheel that has every single Gen 3 Pokemon, and we got Beldum! That's hype! We're making a Convergent Metagross. Now let's see what new typing we'll be giving to this Convergent Metagross. The first type is the Bug type. That is definitely super weird, and the second type is Water type. This is gonna be difficult. And the last step before we see which Pokemon looks like, let's see if it has an X Factor, and you do, a Corrupted form. The first stage of your Pokemon is Bractum, the Claw Pokemon, which at level 20 evolves into Mutation. These Pokemon have large claws but tiny legs. At level 40, it would evolve into Exogross. These Pokemon are extremely territorial and protect their land till their last breath. And it's this determination that caught the attention of a distant unknown cosmic legendary who corrupted Exogross, now destroying what it once protected.